To calculate your errors with the NSSDA spreadsheet and method, you'll need to get the coordinates of the true point location and your estimated point location using the GPS. Now, going to the NGS datasheet, you can get the coordinates in UTM cores 96 units, in meters in this case, for the true location, but you'll need to calculate it for your GPS collected positions. So here I have a exported point_GE data set, and I'm going to remind you, I guess, because you did this in 3131, how to collect the coordinates for that point. So if we look at this point G, I can open the table, and you can see that there are these bare bones set of attributes there. I can go ahead and add a field, and I want to make this field a double, and I'm going to call it my easting. I want to make sure that I have enough spaces, so in this case I'm going to put 14 for the precision, and for the scale I'm going to put 3. And now I'll also want to add a field that's going to contain my northing, and that will also be a double, 14 precision, scale of 3. Okay, so with these two fields added, then I can go ahead and right-click on the easting and calculate geometry. Sure, I'm doing it outside. I want to use this coordinate system of the data source, is zone 15 north in meters, and I'll calculate the x-coordinate for that point. I can also right-click here and calculate the geometry. Sure. Instead of the x-coordinate, I'll want to put the y-coordinate in because that's the northing, and say OK. So now for my point, or points, I have the x and y, the easting and the northing values for these GPS collected points. I can then copy these into my NSSDA spreadsheet and compare those to those that I read off the NGS sheet in the UTM coordinates. Now, if I don't have UTM coordinates on my NGS sheet, I would have to enter the lat long and then convert them to UTM using a projection. I'm assuming you know how to do that. If you don't, you can always get in touch with us.